Hi, this is Neil with Jotform. In this video, I'll show you how to customize the date format in your appointment calendar to match your user's regional preferences. Start by opening your prepared form from your workspace. Click on the appointment field, then select the gear icon to open Appointment Properties. Go to the Advanced tab. Under the Date Format section, you'll see different format options using letters like D, M, and Y. Here, D stands for day, M stands for month, and Y stands for year. The order of these letters determines how the date appears to your users. For example, the US format displays dates as MM, DD, YYYY. That's month first, then day, then year. This format is commonly used in the United States and several other regions. The UK format shows dates as DD, MM, YYYY. Date first, then month, then year. This is standard across the United Kingdom and many Commonwealth countries. The European or ISO format displays dates as YYYY, MM, DD. Year first, then month, then day. This format is widely used across Europe and international data systems. Select the format that best matches your audience's expectations. Once selected, the calendar updates automatically. Click Preview Form to see how the updated date format appears to users. And that's it. Your appointment calendar now reflects the format your users are most familiar with. Thanks for watching. Explore more Jotform appointment features, and we'll see you in the next video.